Do you mind if I sit here?
No, I don't mind. Please, sit down.
Is it a good idea to go out now?
No, it's raining.
Do you mind if I use your phone?
I'm sorry, but I need it right now.
Do you think I can do it?
Of course, you can.
Do you mind if I ask you something?
No, go ahead.
Should I wait for you?
No, you can go.
Do you mind if I turn off the lights?
Not at all. Go ahead.
Could you please call me later?
Sorry, I might forget.
Do you mind if I borrow your pen?
Not at all. Here you go.
Is it all right to take a break now?
Yes, take a short break.
Could you possibly explain that again?
Of course, I'll explain it once more.
Should I study more?
Yes, you should.
Should I open the window?
No, it's too windy.
Do you think he's angry?
Yes, he looks upset.
Is it all right to eat in the classroom?
No, it's not okay.
Would you mind turning off the fan?
Not at all. I'll do it.
Could you please help me move this box?
I'm sorry, I'm busy right now.
Would you mind opening the door?
Not at all. I'll open it.
Could you please speak slowly?
Sure, I will.
Is it okay if I leave early today?
No, you need to stay a little longer.
Is it all right to park on the street?
No, there's a no parking sign.
Can I go ahead and start the meeting?
Yes, please, begin.
Do you think I should call her?
Yes, you should call her.
Do you think we need more chairs?
Yes, we need a few more.
Is it okay if I borrow your pen?
Of course. Here you go.
Is it a good idea to walk alone at night?
No, it's not safe.
Is it all right to bring a friend?
Yes, no problem.
Should I eat more vegetables?
Yes, they are healthy.
Should I help her?
Yes, she needs help.
Is it a good idea to take a nap?
Yes, you will feel better.
Is it all right to park here?
No, it's not allowed.
Is it all right to open the window?
Yes, please, do.
Is it okay if I sit here?
Yes, please sit down.
Could you possibly give me a ride?
Sorry, I don't have time today.
Is it okay if I take this book home?
Yes, that's fine.
Should I clean my room today?
Yes, it's a good idea.
Do you think she will come?
No, I don't think so.
Could you possibly help me with my homework?
Sure, I can help you.
Is it all right to leave the door open?
Yes, that's okay.
Is it a good idea to study every day?
Yes, it is.
Should I bring a jacket?
Yes, it's cold outside.
Can I go ahead and open the window?
Yes, it's getting warm in here.
Is it all right to ask a question?
Of course, go ahead.
Would you mind helping me carry these bags?
Of course not. I'll help you.
Is it a good idea to wear a jacket?
Yes, it's cold outside.
Do you think this bag is heavy?
Yes, it looks heavy.
Would you mind if I borrowed your bike?
I'm sorry, I need it today.
Could you please stay a little longer?
I'm sorry, I have to go.
Would you mind if I used your computer?
I'm sorry, it's not working.
Would you mind helping me with my homework?
I'm sorry, I'm busy right now.
Is it all right to call you later? Is it all right to eat here?
Yes, it's fine.
Is it all right to sit here?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I go ahead and send the email?
Yes, please send it now.
Could you please pass me the salt?
Sure, here you go.
Can I go ahead and order lunch?
Sure, order what you like.
Is it a good idea to bring an umbrella?
Yes, just in case.
Could you possibly lend me your book?
Yes, you can borrow it.
Would you mind if I ask you a question?
No, please, ask.
Would you mind if I sit here?
Not at all, please sit.
Can I go ahead and park here?
No, this spot is reserved.
Is it a good idea to call her now?
No, she is busy.
Could you please lend me your book?
I'm sorry, I need it now.
Should I take an umbrella?
Yes, it might rain.
Do you think we are late?
No, we are on time.
Is it all right to use your pen?
Sorry, I need it.
Is it a good idea to eat ice cream in winter?
Maybe not. It's too cold.